Good morning, SMC Commodity Outlook for today. Bullion counter is expected to trade on weaker path as strong local currency rupee to keep the prices in red zone. Gold can move in range of 30,500 to 31,700, while silver contract can move in range of 52,500 to 54,500 in MCX. Gold tracked oil lower on Tuesday after Russia offered to work with Damascus to put Russia chemical weapons under international control, while firm equities also dented the metal appeal as an alternative investment. Expedia Gold Trust GLD, the world's largest gold bag exchange traded fund, said its holdings fell 0.23% to 917 tons on Monday from 919 tons on Friday. The euro held steady around a more than a 1 week high in early Asian trade on Tuesday as risk appetite ticked up after a Russian proposal on Syria raised the chance that US military strike could be delayed or averted. In base metal sections, base metal complex may also dip lower, tracking stronger local currency, which will keep the prices tamed down. Copper may trade in range of 465 to 418 MCX, while lead may trade in range of 135 to 138, while zinc may trade in range of 118 to 120 near term. Nickel may remain in range of 885 to 900 in MCX, while aluminium may trade in range of 113 to 115. Copper traded near the highest price in more than a week before Chinese industrial output and retail sales data that may show economic growth is rebounding in the world's biggest user of the metal. Factory output in China, the world's second biggest economy, expanded 9.9% in August from a year earlier after rising 9.7% in July. In energy counter, crude oil can open on negative path as it can trade in range of 6950 to 7150 in MCX. US crude oil futures fell more than $1 to below 109 a barrel on Tuesday as supply fears eased after Russia offered to help put Syria chemical weapons under international control, easing fears of an imminent strike against the country. The White House will closely examine Russia's offer to work with Syria to put its chemical weapons under international control, but the US Congress could still back military action to keep pressure on Damascus, a top aide said. The US President Barack Obama, who said the Russian plan could potentially be a significant breakthrough, is slated to address the American people on Tuesday night and is due to speak to lawmakers during the day. Natural gas may trade lower and can test 225 in MCX.